Okay, today we're looking at a tutorial on my HRW. It is my.hrw.com. If anybody knows what that stands for, let me know because I haven't figured it out yet. Okay, so you log in using your school Google account. So the username is whatever at fusdk12.net. The password is one that you set yourself. I gave you a temporary password at the beginning of the year, which you used to log in the first time, and then you set your own password. So hopefully you wrote that down somewhere or you remember what that is. If you do not remember, send me a loop mail and I can reset it, which will give you another temporary password and another chance to set something you will remember. Once you're logged in, you should see a screen that looks kind of like this. To find the tutorials, you click on Student Resources, and this gives you all kinds of resources, so feel free to look at whatever you want. But today we're looking at Level Up Tutorials. So you click on Level Up Tutorials here in the yellow bar, then Explore the Tutorials, and there are a whole bunch of different things for you to look at. Today we're going to look at informational text, analyzing informational text. And because you're writing an informational text, which is what your independent book study is, and because you will have some comparison and contrast in there, then today we're looking at comparison contrast organization. When you click on that, it's going to open up a new window that has the Level Up tutorial in it. When you hit start, it will begin
In this tutorial,
read the tutorial to you, so you can have it read to you. You can stop the audio and read it yourself. As you click through,
you make comparisons.
it'll give you a whole bunch of examples. And then after you've gone through all 19 slides here, there's a practice section. So good luck. When you are finished on Google Classroom, just mark it done.